Welcome to my channel Writing Mania. Let's start. Women Empowerment. India is a land of customs, traditions, and practices which have been developed through centuries to centuries. These customs have become the consciousness of our so called society. We worship the female goddesses, give importance to our mothers, daughters, sisters, wives, friends, etc. It is also mentioned in an ancient Hindu text named Manusmriti that the god resides there where women is worshipped. यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता. But it is a pity to the patriarchal system of our society who advocate the superiority of males. In fact, our constitution is enshrined with the norms of gender equality. Women empowerment refers to making women powerful, to make them capable of deciding their own fate. Women have suffered a lot through atrocities of men and the society. They were prohibited to voting and get treated like a toy. I would not appreciating the countries having progress throughout the centuries. After a history of ill-treating women, in India, it is the high time it should be of that level which allow women to educate themselves, to make development for herself and taking decisions of her life by voluntarily participating in the progress of the nation. There are several instances which proved that if women get equal opportunity like men, they can create history. Whether it is PV Sindhu or PT Usha, Neeta Ambani or Pratibha Patil, Malala Yousafzai or Susmita Sen, Mithali Raj or Mirabai Chanu. Numerous names that have been ruled the world in their domains. There will be infinite such names if India and its native empower their creators, the women, who is the creator of the universe. Saluting all the women Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe my channel for upcoming videos and notifications. Jai Hind.